Hello everyone and welcome back. I'm down the shed and I've started my first project of the year, and I've decided that my word for at least the beginning of the year is easy. I want everything to be as easy as possible. So this project is, I've got this fabric which is a nice lightweight cotton ikat weave, and I've just cut it into 2 rectangles, as you can see, and at the top of one rectangle I started pleating the fabric and sewing it down. So you can see I've got a pleat there, a pleat there, a pleat there. They're regular uniform pleats, and I've just sewn them down. So sewn them back, and then the flaps on the back I've also sewn down so it's completely flat. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a very easy sundress, and it will be like this on the front and the back, and then I've got these strips of fabric which I'm going to make into straps, and then they will sit there like that. So just a strappy dress, which would be lovely for in the summer, nice and light, but in the winter you could layer it up. So it's quite versatile. So now that I've got the front and back pleated up, like I showed you, and all I will do is, the old bones, not as flexible as they used to be. All I will do, as you can see I've got front and back, I will sew down the sides. I've sewn up both the sides, but it's a little bit big. Well, it's quite a lot too big. I've got probably that much excess. So what I'm going to do is just take a bit more out of each side, sew it down again, and then see where I am. So I've taken about 2.5 inches off each side. It's got a decent amount of ease still left in it, so it's not too tight, but I think that'll be all right now. These are my straps. I turned them inside out as you saw. I laid them flat, I ironed them, and then I just overlocked the ends. And so now I'm going to place them where I think they need to be. Now they need to go on the back. If I had better shoulder mobility, I'd just place them and pin them, but I don't. So I'm just going to turn it round and then bring it over and place it there. Now that's a bit low, so I'm going to mess around with that until I get it right, but that's the principle. The straps ended up looking a bit like that. So the dress is inside out at the moment, and I'm going to use a strip of this as a facing on the inside. So I'll sandwich them all together and sew them. I'll show you how I do it. This is how I'm doing my facing. I've got my dress, I plonk the facing on, so front of the fabric to front of the fabric, and then I just put the straps in between sandwiched, and then when you turn it over, when you've sewn it and you turn it over, you'll get that. That's what it looks like when the facings are done and the straps are put in. All that remains to do now is to take up the hem a little bit. I'm not going to take it up much because I quite like the length. I decided to hand sew the hem because I think it gives a nicer finish. So now the dress is done. I'm not going to show you it yet because I got this little make your own jewellery kit in a Secret Santa thing at Christmas, and I thought it'd be really nice to make a pair of earrings to go with the dress. So this is how it turned out. It's comfortable and really practical. I like the fact that you got the options to either wear it just on its own or with something underneath it. And those are the earrings once I'd put them all together. I'm really pleased with how it all turned out. Thank you so much for following along. I hope you enjoyed it, and I look forward to seeing you next time.